Hello my friend, I am the crazy Russian PC builder, and today I want to show you my monster random PC build. Let's take a start with the Asus Z9PE-D16. This ridiculous mainboard you can get for 443 euros. You can use 2 Xeon processors and you have 16 RAM slots. This is ridiculous, my friend. Let's take a look at the processor. We have 2 crazy Xeon E5 2690 processor. It's a 2011 socket and you have 2.9 GHz speed. This is amazing, my friend. 16 cores, this is crazy, man. So many cores, so you get an amazing workstation with these processors. I'll take a look at the price. One of them costs 1,970 euros. That is very expensive, my friend, and we got 2 of them, so together they cost 3,941 euros. Did you saw the animation of this multiplicator too? But let's take a look at the CoolerMaster Eisberg 214. So we need to cool our crazy processor with an amazing water cooling system. So one of them costs 147 euros, and together we get, if you multiply it, we get 249 euros. This is 94. Sorry, excuse me my language, I'm just a little bit nervous. But let's start with the next one, with the RAM. Yes, this is true. It's a Kingston 32GB single Lrdimm RAM. This is amazing. But one of it cost 1,562 euros, my friend, and we got 16 of them. Yes, 16 of them. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And together we have 512 GB of RAM. This is crazy shit. Let's multiply it by 16, my friend. We get it for around 25,000 euros, my friend. This is ridiculous. But let's go to the next level. So let's take a look. No, we are not using a simple SSD or a simple hard drive. We are using a SSD PCIe drive. Yes, my friend, and we use 2 of them to OCZ. This is amazing shit, you know, my friend. We got for each one 3.4 terabyte space, so a lot of space and amazing speed. So they are 6,400 gigabytes. Oh my god! So one of them cost 18,570 euros. And we got 2 of them, so together they cost 37,131 euros. This is crazy. I can buy a car for that money. But let's go to the next. For the super duper graphics, we got the PNY NVIDIA Quadro 6000, and of course we are using 2 of them in slide mode. So one card you have to pay 3,491 euros. This is crazy. We got 2 of them, so of course you need to pay 6,982 euros. This is ridiculous, my friend. And of course we need a Blu-ray Burner, so we get 2 of them if you want to make some copies of your little dirty pornos, you know. Yeah, it was a little joke, of course not. But so one is not so expensive, so 76 euros, and we got 2 of them. Of course you have to pay 152 euros. That's okay, I think, and it's a pretty fast thing, so you can burn it at 60 times fast. And of course your system needs a very professional power and a lot of power, so we use again something from CoolerMaster. And here we see the Silent Pro M2 1500 watt, my friend. Yes, so it's not so expensive too, so it's 278 euros. I think it's a very okay price, you know. And of course, to use the very big Asus mainboard, we need an amazing Okay, so I chose the CoolerMaster Cosmos 2. That's ridiculous. Okay, so take a look at the right picture. It looks like a Lamborghini. I really love it. So you can get it for 315 euro. Let's take a look at the price of everything. So you pay for the mainboard, for the CPUs, for the RAM, for the PCIe SSD, for the graphic cards, for the Blu-ray burner, for the power supply, and for the CPU cooler, and last but not least for the PC case. And so let's calculate it together, and you get a price of 74,540 euros, my friend. That's crazy. So I think this is the craziest YouTube build ever made. So if you have so much money, you can build an amazing random machine for your work. So like Pixar animation or Walt Disney animation. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a green thumb up. And if you want or have any wishes of a new PC build, let me know. I built one amazing build for you. So see you guys, and thank you for listening.